Hello friends, in our last video we had expected that bulls may lift Nifty above 18,000 and we may see expiry above those levels, but somehow bulls failed to perform today and bears made a sudden surprise entry which led to 1 percentage fall in Nifty over its previous close. At one point of a time, bears managed about 270 points downside from its previous close for Nifty, but towards the close, a recovery was seen and downside got limited to 1% only. Now, if we check a daily chart for Nifty, then we can see that a broadening wedge formation has taken a place, which was expected to take a resistance near to 18,000, but somehow that got failed, and today we are having some reversal candle signal as well, which is commonly known as a evening star. Though this pattern is not exactly as per our textbook requirement, but in real life scenarios some adjustment can always be considered for some reversal signals. Now if we apply Bollinger Band, then we can see that today's candle is a red candle and candle is again coming within Bollinger Band region. So yesterday's close above Bollinger Band was somewhat trapped at a higher level, and more upside can only be considered if bulls manage to give a close above 17,090 first, and immediately next resistance to check out would be 18,050 near about levels. Now if we apply RSI on this, then somewhat we can see that before hitting a resistance zone, rather overbought zone 70, a retracement or a downside move is seen because of today's downside candle, and which leads to some doubt over a major upside as well. Now if we check option chain data, then for option chain data 17,500 is having a highest OI. Data is yet to have a proper built up, so exact inference out of this would be a bit difficult to have, but still if we consider boundary points immediate basis, then 18,000 on a call side is having a highest OI with a OI contract of 68,000, which is to be considered as a strong resistance. Now if we compare with the max pain levels, then max pain is at 17,750 levels about, which is near to our today's close. So we can say that somehow traders are expecting moves on both the side at present, which is quite obvious because of built up is yet to take place in this expiry. PCR is at 1.02 level, which again signifies somewhat flat kind of a scenario and suggesting a equal opportunity for buyers and sellers as well. That means for a bulls and bears. Now if we check important levels that needs to be followed for next couple of trading sessions, then one should keep an eye on Fibonacci levels that we are plotting is at 17,565 near about, which is immediate Fibonacci level that one can expect in a downside. but going forward we are expecting a range bound session tomorrow with a extreme boundary points would be today's low and today's high only. But any breakout or breakdown should be considered with double caution, as at a higher level we are having a resistance and somewhat adjustment, or you can say that a mean reversion is at place on a smaller time frame for Nifty, and accordingly some range bound moves cannot be ruled out. We hope this video is going to help you to take a small trades for a smaller profit, because today's volatility may lead to some consolidation as well. See you soon with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.